Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about a serious topic that affects millions of people around the world: depression. The video is important, so please watch till the end and subscribe to my channel. Depression is not just feeling sad or blue. It is a mental disorder that can interfere with your daily life, your relationships, your work, and your health. Depression can cause persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, guilt, anger, or emptiness. It can also make you lose interest in things you used to enjoy, have trouble sleeping, eating, or concentrating, and even have thoughts of harming yourself or others. But depression is not only a mental problem. It can also affect your body in many ways. Depression can increase your risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and cancer. It can also weaken your immune system, making you more prone to infections and illnesses. Depression can also cause physical symptoms such as headaches, back pain, muscle aches, fatigue, and digestive problems. So how can you break free from depression and improve your mental and physical health? Well, the first step is to seek professional help. Depression is a treatable condition, and there are many effective therapies and medications that can help you cope with your symptoms and recover from your disorder. You don't have to suffer alone. There are many people who can support you, such as your family, friends, doctors, therapists, or support groups. The second step is to make some positive changes in your lifestyle. There are many things you can do to boost your mood and well-being, such as exercise regularly. Exercise can release endorphins, which are natural chemicals that make you feel good. Exercise can also improve your physical fitness, your self-esteem, and your energy levels. Eat a balanced diet. Eating healthy foods can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Eating well can also prevent or manage some of the health problems that depression can cause, such as obesity, diabetes, or heart disease. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for your mental and physical health. Sleep can help you regulate your emotions, improve your memory, and enhance your immune system. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night and avoid caffeine, alcohol, or nicotine before bedtime. Avoid drugs and alcohol. Drugs and alcohol may seem like a way to escape from your problems, but they can actually worsen your depression and cause more harm to your body. Drugs and alcohol can interfere with your brain chemistry, your mood, your judgment, and your health. They can also increase your risk of addiction, overdose, or suicide. Do something you enjoy. Engaging in activities that make you happy can help you cope with stress, distract you from negative thoughts, and improve your self-confidence. You can try hobbies, sports, arts, music, or anything else that sparks your interest and passion. Connect with others. Socializing with people who care about you can help you feel less isolated and lonely. You can share your feelings, get support, advice, or feedback, and have fun. You can also join groups or communities that share your interests, values, or goals and make new friends. These are some of the ways that you can break free from depression and improve your mental and physical health. Remember, depression is not your fault, and you are not alone. You can overcome it, and you can live a happy and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. And I want to randomly just remind you that your presence matters. Bye bye.